So I have a market coming up this weekend and found myself at a loss on how to display my art. I noticed a display last weekend when traveling and thought, I wonder. So I measured up my paintings and headed over to Bunnings this morning. Watch on to see how it all comes together. I grabbed a couple sheets of this plyboard 9mm by 1200mm by 610mm, about $40 each. Got some small lengths of pine like 30mm wide and cut them 610mm same as the board. Then glued and screwed onto board. Next, I marked the distance needed between each artwork I want to display, traced a line and again glued, and screwed the small pine to the board. You can see here the bottom and second pine pieces are now attached to the board. These will be my shelves. Here is a piece of pine 1200mm by 40mm that I will cut a 45-degree angle on, right at the end, to help stand my board. Cost $5 each. No power tools required, and yes, this angle cutting device came from Bunnings too. 45-degree angle done. T-hinges, purchased from Bunnings, cost about $5 for the 2 in a pack. We'll use long end down my pine piece that I just cut the 45-degree bottom on. See, this long part of the hinge will go on the pine leg. Mark the screw holes. And here you go. The hinge is on the stand, just need to attach to the board. See here the screws I used to attach the strips across the board at the beginning. Now to measure up the leg onto the board and screw on to attach. Here you go. Neat as. Watch now as I turn it around, and you can see the final product. Stands up all on its own. Hope it displays the artwork nicely. And here is my final product purchase from Bunnings this morning. I am hoping it will secure my artworks and cards onto their shelves, so the wind won't blow them away. Cost again, $5. I chose to use a stapler gun to secure the cord at the back of the board. At the top I secured it tightly as I will be placing cards there. All other shelves I secured it loosely so it can stretch around my artworks. Fingers crossed it works. And here we go. The proof is in the pudding. Let me know your thoughts and if this could help you to create your next display. See you at one of our local markets coming up. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.